Hi, I'm Matt Bloomfield. I'm a partner and portfolio manager here at Palmer Square. I want to spend a couple of minutes giving an update on the loan and CLO market as we're quite a bit of ways through 2021. What we've seen for the most part from our borrowers is very similar to what we saw in the second half of 2020. We continue to see very strong earnings growth, very strong cash flow from the majority of our borrowers. We think that's going to continue for the foreseeable future. As we've talked about in the past as well, we're very much overweight recurring revenue businesses, so your software, technology, and certain business services, and underweight a lot of the cyclicals and industrials. And that's important right now as we talk about inflation, which has obviously been a big macro concern. As we've talked to management teams across a lot of those cyclical and industrial businesses, they are certainly experiencing quite a bit of cost inflation. When you add in a lot of the supply chain disruptions, it can certainly be a headwind for a lot of those businesses and something investors should certainly keep an eye on. But all that being said, the positives definitely outweigh the negatives from where we're sitting. And I think that's led to significantly and robust issuance across the loan and CLO market in 2021, which we think will continue. That begs the question, what have we been doing at Palmer Square? Well, we've been as active as we've ever been in 2021. Through August of this year, we've already issued 6 US CLOs and 3 European CLOs. And in the remaining 4 months of the year, we have plans to issue several more in both the US and in Europe. As we look into 2022, we think the tailwinds will continue for the leveraged loan and CLO product. With the floating rate nature of loans and CLOs, we think that offers a nice potential carry pickup as rates do start to increase in the near future. And when we look across the other credit markets, whether it's investment grade or high yield bonds, you're certainly taking a lot of interest rate risk and not really being compensated for that right now. So we think the future definitely bodes well for both the leveraged loan and CLO product. With all that, we look forward to updating you as the rest of 2021 progresses. Thank you.